Okay, it's about 7 p.m. Sun set about 2 hours ago. It's pretty bad out here now. I have given up on trying to sweep the steps. I'll show you that in a little bit. But the wind is blowing, the snow is blowing. I'm going to show you Damon Avenue, completely snow covered. I have not seen a plow in ages. And even if they did come, I doubt it would make a difference. Traffic definitely has slowed down some. There's still some people trying to make their way through here. I'm looking down Haddon here, can't see that far. If it weren't for the light, I wouldn't be able to see Damon and Division, which is about a quarter of a block away, maybe a couple hundred feet. I'm getting covered with snow, just showing you some of the snow-covered buildings here. Everything's got like kind of that gingerbready snow look on it. It's pretty bad. There's probably about 6 inches on the ground right now, is my guess. Somewhere about 6. In the last couple of hours, I think about 3 has fallen. I swept the stairs, and there's a good 3 inches on them after I swept them clean and bare at 5. I've kind of given up on that, but it does make it hard to navigate them.